All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are building a Donk. This is first video of this little mini series we're going to be doing. I'm trying to get down to fresh welds now in a little bit of a hurry because we got our transporter there. My boy Marley from Pro Towing's taking care of it. Professional towing, excuse me. And I got a cord just trying to slam into my wife's Maybach, so let's make sure that doesn't happen. What else? Yes, so Donk build 71 Impala convertible, super pumped, Speed Tech chassis, compression wheels, Ogden Chrome's taking care of the chrome for us. Not too sure what we're going to be doing about the interior yet. The motor setup on this car is phenomenal. And again, this has been a super secret for a few months now. We really didn't really want to go crazy and let everybody know yet because we needed to solidify a few things and make sure that we are good to go. And now we're making a video because we are. So look forward to this one. This one's going to be pretty rad. Pretty rad. So we're on our way down to fresh welds now. We will see you when we get there. Wow.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
Well,
got a cash for the shop too.
where's the chickens? Where's the chickens?
What are you talking about, man?
The fucking rims match your shoes.
Nigga, these are 30s, dog. Oh, man. It's all about bragging rights here, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Dick?
All right, everybody, this is Marley from Pro Towing.
What's going on?
One of our best tow guys. And,
Best of the best.
The best of the best.
Professional transport.
Yep.
Says it all.
And we're putting it in the enclosed.
Let's
so
do
you
it.
guys get to check this out.
That's Pac-Man right there. That's special privileges right there.
Problem that my guy ran into was, since it's been to so many shops and it's been hacked up so much, we wanted to start from fresh. Bert took it, did the floor, got everything knocked out. All the welds look great. The boys look good on those. Yeah, he did a great job. What's up, dude? Man, everything good? This is Bert from Fresh Welds. This is the gentleman that took care of the floor for us and got everything knocked out so we can get back to business and get this thing pulled off the chassis and put it on the new chassis. So
the floor was elevated for whatever reason. I think it was to clear some tubing on the chassis. We brought it back to factory specs. It needed some, patches here and there. We took care of that. Chrome pan was replaced. They had cut into it. Most of this was cut out for big tubs. We put it back in there, factory specs. Yeah, everything basically back to factory specs. That was the whole plan.
yeah, so then from there we can take what we need to do and
you
go
got
from
the
there.
foundation now, and you can do what you want with it.
Did
Back to zero.
we filled in the firewall?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. I didn't know if we were gonna have to or not, but that's perfect. At least it's back to where we were from factory and we can start fresh and
Definitely.
go with a good body.
All right, so yeah, one of the main reasons we changed the quarters is because the skirts were extended.
But why?
This, I'm not sure, man. Honestly, I don't know, but
Holy shit.
So that's what you got. That's what you had. That's what you had, So we brought it back to factory specs.
What was this? All right.
They began to extend it, so I guess that was the process.
That's not, okay.
So they were gonna section the quarter to go wider?
Yeah, they opened it up. It was opened up.
They must have had a reason for it.
Yeah, I don't know. Not sure.
All right, gearheads. We have some badass merch available on our website, hobbyshopgarage.com. So if you want to support our videos and want some merch as badass as this TV lit on fire in this random-ass desert, then head over to the website now, before they're all sold out.
All right, making another stop in Miami before we head back to the shop. We are at Michaelized. I'm gonna introduce you to my good boy Mike.
What's up, man? How you guys doing?
I'm gonna let you introduce. I'm gonna introduce you and let you do what you do. Let's start with Autosport and that, and then we can bring in Fernando to do the IT. Mike, you have the mic.
Oh man, feels special. Yeah, this is Michaelized headquarters. You know, we're gonna do everything with cars, cigars, you know, everything and anything has to do with wheels, man. New cars, old cars, classics, muscle cars, exotics, whatever. Anything that's cool and exciting to drive, bro. That makes you feel alive. You know?
That's all. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. So let's take a little walk through so we can kind of see. And then right here, he's basically. As you guys can see here, this is going to be his. What do they call it?
Photo booth.
Photo booth. There we go.
Photo booth.
And
There's gonna be a turntable in there in the near future, by the way.
we have this gorgeous, which looks to be a 78. Yeah, I think it's a 70. Is it a 78? 78.
Land yacht.
Country Squire LTD.
It's a fucking land yacht, that's what it is.
You know, that is a really nice car. You know,
Oh, it's beautiful, by the way. Look at it.
this is Amy's car, by the way. How many miles on this thing?
6,000 miles.
6,000 original miles.
Original miles. Original everything.
His wife is gonna have to get it back and put some miles on it this winter. I love this thing. This is the baddest wagon I've ever seen.
It's
By far.
fucking sick.
So in here they're going to be doing photos for consignment cars, for their own cars. If anybody wants to use this as a rental, I'm sure Mikey would be happy to rent it out.
Pretty sure we could do that as well.
Yeah, I think that would be a pretty good one.
Yeah.
And then, what else are you guys doing here other than the dealer and the car stuff?
We're gonna be doing cigars. We're gonna be doing Michaelized clothing. The cigars, Michaelized cigars. Inspira is the name of the cigar.
All right.
It's a nice cigar.
Nice.
It's gonna be over here. This is gonna be the smoking area.
Outside?
Outside.
So you're going to have a little spot outside. What's this area here going to be?
It could be a detail shop.
I like the detail idea. Pull them in, get them detailed. Maybe open the wall a little bit to get them to come through. Oh, load bearing, you can't do it. So this is
Great. Hold it up.
yeah. This would actually, if you open the door a little bit better, my jug rack would look good right here. If you make the door wider,
You gotta get rid of the other one.
it'd be pretty sick. It'd be nice. I'd appreciate it.
I got you.
This is your computer cigar area.
Cigar smoking area. This will be out there.
Are you guys gonna do a little canopy over here?
Oh yeah. Oh, get all redesigned.
Did you do these already?
This brand new.
Really?
These are brand new. These are fun. See, you got it coming out.
Wow. And are you going to be doing storage here as well? Or trying to...
Yeah, I mean, we're like, again, we're still in the works of making it.
What we're looking at,
Oh,
like
look.
outside backyard.
So this is going to be the outside backyard.
Concepts.
Kinda.
Concepts.
God
These are
damn.
ideas.
Oh, I love it. But I love how you're taking the modern look and really dialing all this in. That's beautiful. That's sick. And then we'll get Fernando to explain about upstairs and offices. And then, I mean, what is this? Another 15,000?
The main showroom will be over there.
Yeah.
This will be more of the storage.
As you guys can see, you're seeing a lot of our collection in here. Mikey is definitely one of the best on consignments and selling cars. You know, he's got a rapport with clients all over the world. So
All over.
we figured, you know, why not bring the collection down here and keep it in here for him, and he can provide selling some of the cars, keeping some of the cars here, storing some of the cars, and it also looks good because the vehicles are in here and they're staged
We're gonna
correctly.
be putting a lot of stuff in here.
Yeah,
Again, this is just a
So this is our 61 Bird. Maybe sold, maybe going back to we go back and forth with the owner of this car and me, who purchased it from us after. So John Mendez may be picking this up. This is our 5,000 mile 95 Impala. That's our 57,000 mile 92nd Street Grand National. That's the Reed 68 Roadrunner. That's Wifey's GT4 Celica. That's Wifey's birthday gift. Our, I believe, what did we get out of this one? This was our 76 Grand Marquis with 30,000 original miles?
30,000 original.
And then this is our, not ours, this we would love to have in the stable, but
I could sell you that one if you like.
I know you can. You can sell me anything. You've done it enough
Buy
times.
that one there. That one's beautiful. Part of that thing.
95, one of 8 ever done wagons. Caddy Fleetwood Brome. There we go. And this thing's got 50,000, 60,000 miles.
I believe 60,000.
60,000 miles. So basically, this, from what I know, is a 95 Impala.
Basically.
So everything from the
everything.
yeah, same motor, drivetrain, everything.
LP1.
This one's gonna be tough to get rid of as well. She really likes the wagon, so we may have to keep this one. But again, price is right. They're all
Everything
sold.
goes.
That's our 71 K5. That's our 96 Impala SS with 27,000 original miles. And listen, there's room for this to grow. Like, if you guys need anything from consignments, sales, storage.
Anybody want to sell their cars? We're buying everything and anything.
Yep.
From a $100 car to a $1 million car. You can bring it. We buy it. Everything.
There we go. Let's take a look at this. What is this? 56, 55?
55.
Where's the wall for it?
What is Bobby on Saturday?
It's green. You know, that sticks with us. What do you want for it? Undisclosed. We'll talk about it later.
Sounds better.
Real small block, no AC. It's got power brakes though.
Yeah, it's got power brake. Got this wheel in the front.
4-wheel disc front.
No, only in the front. Two
Drums in the rear.
drums in the rear. Oh, the car's it's a good little car.
Yeah, it's a nice little cruiser.
Listen. Car. You know, fucked up the car.
You gotta buy it.
You own it now.
I probably owned it before we.
Come on, man. You don't fuck up the car.
I don't think it's in the hole.
I open it and close it. You have it like that. I think this thing just got fucked.
It's this one.
Now it really is.
There you go.
You
Fuck
break,
this shit, Mark.
you break it, you buy
What
it.
did you do?
Hey, open the fucking window when you're close to it.
We have video proof.
Yeah. Close to it. See?
You gotta feel like a man.
Well, sorry. Got a little regime today. What are all those?
God damn, fucking Can-Am dealership.
What are those? Like,
Bunch of
All side by sides for the farms and farm and shit.
but for what? Like, whose are they?
just to go right, man. Those are mice.
Take them to the farm,
Yeah.
on the mud.
These are brand new.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah.
These are all brand new.
Delivered, I think, like within the month.
Yeah, I got new ones.
These are turbo ones?
Yeah, the XRs, that's the bad boy. But you can't do, I was talking to Humberto about those, you can't do something to them yet because of the way the front suspension is. So they're kind of like, that's all you get. These you can do whatever
But
you want.
these already come with a real transmission.
Yeah,
They're
that's
not
another
driven or nothing.
Yeah, that's the good part about the
They
new
go
ones.
100 fucking miles an hour.
Yeah, they're fast as shit.
Now don't forget about all the badass merch we have available on our website, hobbyshopgarage.com. Available now and ready to be stained by some old oil from your shitbox.
Yep.
We're gonna cover this whole thing, and this is all gonna be a fish tank right here when you walk in. So anyone that walks in through here, you have the whole fish tank here, and then right in front of you over here, we're gonna have another one. So it's gonna be, you know, that's also another one of our companies. We have Michaelized Exotic Aquarium, so we're gonna really like push that and show what we can do for all of the aquariums. And then up here, we have, this is gonna be more of like our hangout area. This is a huge meeting room we're gonna have pretty much from this pillar down. It's gonna be all glass. Anytime we come in, there's gonna be, you know, like about 20 seats for everyone that's in Michaelized, where we can meet, discuss, pretty much whatever we need over there. It's like more of our meeting room. Here we're thinking of more of like a hangout area. We're gonna have like a pool table, we're gonna have a bunch of couches. We might take those railings out right here and put a huge TV that's gonna be on both sides. So actually if you're sitting all the way on this side, you're gonna be able to see the TV, and then anywhere from here you'll also be able to see the TV. So this is like more for our big games, any basketball games, football games, and all of our members that are gonna be part of the auto boutique and the tobacco are gonna have full access to here. You know, they can come, we're gonna have a full kitchen. It's gonna be badass, you just take some time.
All right, so in here we could do a couple food trucks, and we could do maybe one food truck out here. I mean, it's hot.
Food truck going to the back too.
Yeah, we can try to do that. We also have the road too. Yeah, we can load it up. We need to pull permits if we're gonna do it like that. It's gonna get so crazy. It's gonna get out of control. So
They have a fucking, they gotta do a, they do a little fucking,
Yeah, bro, they have like a market here on Sundays.
on Saturdays and Sundays.
this shit looks like Guadalajara.
Really?
Ridiculous. Like all
Like
over the
fucking
place. Wait, you see all these
illegal as fuck,
fences
by
that
the
we
way.
put here around the bushes and shit? Everyone started taking all the bushes that we planted.
Yeah, they stole them the first time.
Yeah. So that's why we had to put gates all around the whole entire thing.
Shut the fuck
Like
up.
30 something of them, they took them all.
And they were selling them.
On Sunday.
They bought them and then they sold them.
They stole them and sold them.
How long do you think that we could do a show?
The building ready?
Nah, it doesn't have to be ready. I think right now is great. It's just we wouldn't have anybody in the offices or anything.
No, there
like
wouldn't
that.
be anything in there.
Building ready, we're looking at like another 8 months, I think.
8 months.
But
So if we could rope off,
I think like, yeah, maybe right 6.
and if we do it somewhat soon, we need a fucking pool.
A pool? Yeah. Like water?
You ever seen anybody do a pool in a fucking commercial?
Yeah, we could probably get that done too.
Yeah. No, we just do, you know, like 10 fucking massive fucking pools. Well, you know what I'm saying. Just in general. I think it'd be cool as shit.
Yeah.
Then you can tell the families, hey, bring your kids. Yeah. No, I think it'd be dope, man. This would be cool as shit.
Yeah, I did a great fucking facility.
I think it's a beautiful fucking facility. This place
It's all
is-
gated in, secure.
Yep.
in reality, you got parking.
All right, well, you guys have seen Michaelized. We're out. Back to the shop.